So I'm picking apart the bed frame. It's a steel frame, and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna paint it. So I'm cleaning it with regular dish soap, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with a clean slate, whatever you say. So you could use acetone or something like that, but it works this way also. This side I have already cleaned. So put some masking tape here. Gonna keep this white, and then I'm gonna do, I think, turquoise here, yellow, and perhaps blue, and then yellow or dark blue. I'm getting an inspiration from this beautiful car. So I'm gonna try to do something like that. Just using regular masking tape. So I'm painting away here. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one, Photocyanide Blue. So I continue masking tape this part, trying to fit the other one. So making the final layer with this azul eftalo or phthalocyanine blue. water-based color. It's nice, it doesn't smell. I can't hardly feel anything. So this liquitex water-based acrylics is really good. But you have to protect it with a varnish on top if you don't want it to. If you spill gasoline, whatever, acetone, even cold avfettning, it will start to mess up. So you have to protect it if you want it to last and to be able to take stronger liquid. Then turn it around. So this Ikea paint Mola is really bad. I painted this one, I only have this in red 3 times, and it dissolves itself. You can see it dissolves every time you push new paint. The old one is like moving. Yeah, it gets transparent sort of. You move the old paint around, so it's really bad. Who am I fooling? I thought it was useful, but it's for kids. You just paints one time and just messes around pretty much. Don't use this. The other one is liquitex, much better. These are the colors I use for this project. So time to remove the masquerading tape. Before it sits too long. This tape is pretty old, so not perfect. You can see it cracking up.